Take it or leave it, she said, leave it at best. I don't believe in no coincidences. She talks so quiet, can't even tell. She moves those hips, those lips, it makes...
Hello, and welcome to Exploring the Ecosystems. I'm Eliza Leafyfield, and today we will be exploring the urban jungle, better known as the city. Today we will be going to the small town of Valparaiso in northwest Indiana. So let's begin our journey. On today's show, I will be discussing the average temperature and climate and the local animals that are in this ecosystem, and also the different plants that are in this ecosystem, and maybe some other interesting facts. So here we go. Characteristics of the urban jungle are really all human, man-made. There's these humans. But anyways, we have buildings and cars passing. The streets are just bustling with busy life of the human being, and just everything. I mean, there's also plants. Some plants and a few trees, but basically that's about it. So here we go. So the soil type in the urban jungle is, as you can see, kind of poor. There isn't many shrubs or anything covering the land. It's mostly asphalt and cement. And there's few trees, and so many things don't grow because the soil type is so poor. But in other cities they have rooftop gardens and larger parks in the middle of the city, and they kind of help out the air quality. And as you move farther into the residential areas, you will find more grass and shrubs and trees because more of the people live out there, and it's just an easier environment for things to grow in. So we'll take you out to the residential part and show you some of the plants living out there. So we are in the residential part of the city of Valparaiso, and like I said, there are more plants and grass and other shrubs around, and you'll see more animals walking around. You'll hear more birds. It's just a more safe environment for them because there aren't as many cars and stuff. So, and you'll see more houses, less buildings. So this is the residential part. So the local plants in this area, you see there's trees, like I said before. We have oak, maple, pine trees, and mulberry trees. We have sassafras, tulip trees, and there's dandelions and grass around too. Walnut trees are large in this area. The tulip tree is actually the state tree of Indiana. We have dogwood trees also, and there's many other different variations of trees, so that's pretty much just the plants around this area. So, on we go with the rest of our journey. Environment. It usually varies from city to city and where you are in the world, but generally in the city you have small mammals and different types of little birds and rats and pigeons, and just like little animals like that. And usually, like, the biggest like mammal that populates the city is the human being, and today we are going to try to get a closer look at the human being. They are a very complex species, so I'm going to try and get an up-close look. So let's do that right now.